Australians should be able to trust the food with high health star ratings, but a shocking new investigation has found some snacks marketed as healthy actually contain a cocktail of chemicals.
Yeah, the review claims that popular food brands contain additives that are linked to alarming health issues that include ADHD, gut damage and cancer. And for more, we're joined by paediatric nutritionist Mandy Sacker, who led this investigation. Mandy, thank you so much for being here with us. What's a really important issue, particularly as people prepare breakfast right across the country. You've uncovered what you've called one of the biggest food deceptions facing Australian families.
That's correct. Unfortunately, Australian families are feeding their children ultra-processed foods disguised as healthy snacks, and a lot of these products get high inflated health star ratings.
How does that work? I mean, this is something the government has pumped so much money into getting right so that we can be helped along in the shopping centre aisles to make those good decisions for our families.
That's why I've put so much energy into creating something better. The government is pumping a lot of money into this, but unfortunately it's broken. It's completely flawed. There's no watchdog, so brands can assign their own stars. A lot of these products with the highest ratings have got ultra-processed ingredients, and the health star system doesn't penalise additives and ultra-processed ingredients.
What kind of ingredients are we talking about? What are those additives you're mainly seeing?
We're looking at processed sugars, we're looking at gut-disrupting emulsifiers, preservatives, which are linked to respiratory issues, behavioural issues. The list goes on and on. We are looking at a typical muesli bar having between 10 and over 20 ingredients. A muesli bar shouldn't have any more than 6 ingredients.
Yeah. Now, to combat this, you've gone and done the research and launched your own real food rating system. It's launched today. Tell me how it cuts through some of the claims that are coming from the companies themselves.
Well, the real food rating system takes into account processing, additives and the overall nutrition score. It's independent. There's no big food companies that are not going to receive the proper ratings because they are supporting it. So independence is absolutely critical. It's an easy guide that consumers can use, and it shows parents exactly what's in the food that they're serving their kids. It puts health first, not profits.
So how does that work? How can we use it?
People can go onto the website realfoodrating.com. They'll get a free 7-step pantry reset guide. So for anyone who's looking to eat more real food, it's going to help them along the way. And there's plenty of resources. I've been working on this for over a year. There's a lot of education around what to do when you're in the supermarket. There's also links to the latest research. In 2024, we saw evidence that shows that ultra-processed ingredients are linked to over 32 adverse health outcomes. This is a public health time bomb, and we have to take action. So I created the Real Food Rating because I truly believe the health star system, it's broken. It needs a complete overhaul, and someone had to step in and show people how to do it.
And Mandy, one of the benefits of the system, the star system, is that when you are going through the supermarket, you've got a couple of kids, one wants something else, you're running late on time, you've got to get to soccer training and things. It's so easy to pick up and see and know.
Yeah.
What can you tell parents that are going to go through that same process this afternoon? If you're saying that they can't entirely trust the Health Star system, what should they look for? What can be done quickly that can make it easy for them?
Ignore the front of packaging claims. Flip it around, look at the ingredient list. If it's longer than 6 to 8 ingredients, that's already a warning sign. You don't want to see sugar in the first 3 ingredients. And you want to see ingredients that you'd have in your pantry or in your fridge at home. If you see numbers and you need a science degree to interpret it, put it back on the shelf. But as you said, the Real Food Rating is going to take all the guesswork out. I'm a time-poor mum. Sometimes you just need to know which are the ones that I can truly trust and contain real food.
Yeah, I can hear the outrage in your voice because this is outrageous. There'll be a lot of families out there and people doing shopping for their families that will be also flabbergasted by just how poor that rating system is. And think that's right.
And I see it. I get messages daily with parents feeling like they're being misled. So people have asked me to take action and to step up, and I'm really hoping people can get behind this movement. It's a real food movement. Time to put proper food back on our supermarket shelves.
Yes. Thanks so much for your work,
Thank you.
Mandy. Thanks for coming in.